Hi class 5, welcome back to your science class. In the last class I have already uploaded the third part, right? So we have discussed about food and health. We have gone through different topics, and in the last class we have discussed about deficiency diseases. So today the last part which is left we will do. It is about food adulteration. Now, what do you understand by this term called food adulteration? Hope you all can read and see. This is the topic we will discuss today. Okay. Now, we eat different types of food. We get different types of components of food we eat, right? And where we go to get this food, we purchase from the different shops or from sellers. So this term actually refers to the action of making food or drink impure and unsafe by adding unwanted substances to it. Now, what does this mean? This means that sometimes it happens that there are some food items which are mixed with some impure substances, and once it is mixed with that, when they sell it to us, we get it in that form. That is actually called food adulteration. Means any substance when it has not got the purity of it, when it gets mixed with some other substance, then this process is called food adulteration. Now, what happens when it is done? You can query that, ma'am, fine, if it is mixed also, we are purchasing, we are having it, but what is the problem in it? There is a big issue, because when a particular product we are purchasing, and if we don't get the actual value of it, of that product, then it will of course affect our body, our immune system. Okay, so we are not getting the pure food. What happens? It decreases the quality of that food. If something is mixed, some impure substance is mixed with a particular substance or food item, then that particular food item's quality will decrease. Okay, and also lowers its nutritional content. Of course, when suppose you drink milk every day. Now, in milk also sometimes water is mixed, or maybe chalk powder is mixed, and after mixing it is sold. Okay, so when we get that, and when we are having it regularly, though I know I am drinking milk regularly, but still I am not getting the purest form. I am getting the impure form, because already in that milk water is mixed, chalk powder is mixed. I cannot see that, I don't know that, but this process takes place. Generally we get this mixture of things, and when I am having it regularly, then of course few percentage of your nutrients will get reduced, definitely, because the pure form is not getting into my body. Okay, so adulterants increase the impure of food and are harmful. They can cause health problems and affect the quality of life. So this is the main thing in adulteration, food adulteration, that when this process takes place, we get impure food and it increases problems in the body. Okay, it increases different types of maybe diseases, or it affects the body system, also our life. Then second point says reasons for food adulteration. Now, what is the reason that food adulteration takes place? Now, till now we have learned what is the meaning of this. Now we will see the reason. Now, the unwanted substances are added to food and drinks for the following reasons. first of all, what comes to your mind? Of course, to increase the quantity of the food. Sometimes, you purchase rice. Now, when you purchase rice, you bring it home and you try to find out, if you search in that packet, you will get few stone chips. All these things are mixed with rice. Why? To increase the quantity. To increase that quantity level, they do it. Okay. Then to make more profit, of course, because see, if I give the pure thing, I am selling it. Say, suppose I am selling one packet of rice, rupees 60. Pure rice I am giving. So I am also getting the pure thing. But in that one packet, half they mix stone chips with it and rest is rice. Then what they are doing? They are selling it for their own benefit, profit, right? Because I will purchase in 60 rupees only. But what I am gaining? I am getting rice plus that stone chips, right? But when he is selling it without informing anybody, we don't know that at all, and we are purchasing. Then who is getting the profit? That person who is selling it. Okay. Now, to make food more attractive to the buyers, this is also one of the reasons when we buy it. Attractive in the sense, of course, you are mixing something with the same product which we are unable to understand also. So the quantity also increases and it looks good for us, so we purchase that. So these are the reasons why they actually try to do this type of things. Then some common examples of adulterated food. Milk, I told you, is commonly found adulterated with water. Some other common adulterant of milk are detergent and chalk. Chalk also I told you. So detergent is also another item which is mixed with milk. Second point is, honey is often adulterated with water and sugar to increase its quantity. Okay. Then spices like turmeric powder, black pepper, chili powder, all are adulterated. For example, chili powder is adulterated with what? Just you give, you think chili powder color is what? Red. Bricks color is also red. So bricks powder means where it is mixed with the chili powder, then that bricks powder is mixed with the chili powder, and we are getting chili powder. We think that we are purchasing chili powder only, but sometimes this adulterated things happens. Okay. And last option here, it is given, rice is found adulterated with some small stones to increase its weight. Okay. Other adulterated food items found in the market include vegetable oil, ghee, sweets, sauces and coffee powder. So these are the examples in which you get mixture of other impure substances. Okay. So this is also one of the important points of food and health, because we need to know when we purchase things if something is mixed or not. We can make out then. Okay. So food adulteration we have learnt. Come to page 30. Now in page 30 you will see terms to know. Just let me go through. You listen to me. Nutrients. What does this nutrients means? At the beginning only we have done. Components of food that help our body to grow strong and healthy. Nutrients. And nutrients is something very essential in our diet. What is balanced diet? A diet that contains all the nutrients in balanced amount along with roughage and water for the proper functioning of the body. So you cannot say, or you should not avoid this, because you should always have a proper diet for your body growth and to be healthy, because your stage is a growing stage. Then always avoid junk food. What is junk food? Any food that contains high amount of sugar, starch and fats with low amount of other nutrients in it. What is lifestyle diseases? Diseases that are associated with the way people live their lifestyle. And deficiency diseases, diseases that are caused due to the lack of certain nutrients in the diet over a long period of time. Food adulteration, the action of making food or any or drink impure and unsafe by adding unwanted substances to it. Okay, so here we come to the end of this chapter where we have learnt about food and health. I have given you 4 parts of this chapter's video. You have already drawn a balanced diet food pyramid, right? Then we have discussed about the diseases. I told you to draw, I think, yes, to draw and write, to write some of the points based on diseases, communicable diseases, and these lifestyle food habit diseases. I told you at least 5. Then today what we will do, and yesterday I told you to write 5 points deficiency diseases. That also I think is completed. Now today what we will do is just in your CW copy, just write the reasons for food adulteration, and at the top only the heading where you will get food adulteration. You will get it in page number 30. Okay, see, I am writing it here, page 30. You will see food adulteration given. First you will write that, you will write food adulteration, then the definition. After that write reasons, as I told you, as I used to do before, same way you will do, reasons for some food adulteration. Then you give the reasons. 3 reasons are given. You can write 3 also, 2 also, no problem. Okay, so this is your homework for the day, and next class we will come with objectives, question answers, and we will discuss. Okay, till then, take care. Bye bye.